I want Dippin' Dots. I want Dippin' Dots. I want Dippin' Dots. I want Dippin' Dots. Now! You're not getting Dippin' Dots, and that's final. I demand you to give me Dippin' Dots right now, or I'll force you to masturbate me in public. Dad, that's a young man. You both were all going straight home this way, and you'll be punished. I want to stay and have Dippin' Dots. Jerry, after goddamn age balloons. Like I just said, we're all going straight home, so end of the story. It's not fair. I was trying to have the best moment in my life, and then you people decided to ruin by making me have bad to it, and it's your own fault. Whoa. Nobody made you do anything. We did not make you get mad at us when we said we at you while you were going down a water slide. You even told me and your damn mom to shut the hell up, which was even called for. I also didn't make you throw a temper tantrum over not getting the adults while you grounded. You were the only one who started this drama. None of us, so it's telling your own fault. I'm very sorry. Can we please go back? No. You promised us to behave. You never kept your word. You're evil parents. Oh, she will fuck about the door. I need concentration on work. If work does that's evil parents. When we get home, you are grounded for 3 months. Up to your room now.